Let's put the spotlight on Intellect Design. They came out with their quarterly numbers. It's been resilient despite weakness in the BFSI segment. Let's talk a little bit more about their margins as well as growth projections with Arun Jain, the Chairman Managing Director. Good to have you on board. What's the outlook in terms of the growth rate? 19% is what you clocked in this quarter. Do you think that we can expect it to continue?
Yeah, that's right. So I think I mentioned multiple times that we have designed the business as a portfolio business of technologies and the products to make it 20% growth year on year. So last three years, we are able to do 20% CAGR on 3-year basis. And that's where we are at this point of time in our journey, where we have a right scale of around 2,500 crore annual revenue for product company. This is a large number in the revenue terms. We have a right technology in terms of our cloud and AI. We have built up unstructured data management, and then we have a right lighthouse customers, where top customers of each of the country is our customer, acting as a reference site. So this is driving our growth in a sustained manner in last 3 years, and it's continuing to be there because once you lighthouse bank buys our technology, then next 3 or 4 banks also buys the technology, and that too at premium. So I think a lot of tailwinds are there for us as of now.
Right, Mr. Jain. Good morning. This is Winnie joining in the conversation. And, margins, that's given a surprise again this time around as well. So what's led to this margin growth of 20.7%? As well as, do you think this is something that is sustainable going forward? This trajectory is there? Or do you expect higher numbers for the margins?
Yeah, the margin will improve. Definitely, with the GEM going out, margin will improve because GEM was almost like a 0% margin. So the margin percentage of 20%, EBITDA margin 20.7%, definitely likely to go up upwards of 25%. So that's what our expectations are in coming quarters and next year.
Okay, let's understand a little bit more about the Destiny deals, because a large of the deal pipeline has been flat. Any delays that have been there in your decision making? What is the outlook in terms of the kind of deals as well that you're expecting?
If you look at the deal pipeline, in last 1 year, we've grown the pipeline from 6,000 crore to 8,000 crore. So good traction in the pipeline, and Destiny deal are growing steadily. The time is that they are all intense deal. Last quarter, we announced one deal, OTP Bank, of 1,000 crore deal. So for winning a 1,000 crore deal, organization requires significant amount of management time get consumed. So it's not about the number of deals, it's the quality of deals. So average deal value has moved from 43 crore to 53 crore. So that's a shift, if you've seen in the number, is more important than the number of deals.
Right. And, also just let's talk about EMAC AI, right? That's received quite a positive response so far as well. What is the scale-up potential here? And, are you looking at leveraging AI in any more ways? Anything different that you're looking at other than EMAC AI as well?
So AI has a 3 component. One is a document. Bank industry has a lot of documents there. So currently we are able to store structured data. We are not able to capture the intelligence from the unstructured data and document data. So we have a technology called IDX 965, which is able to retrieve a contextual intelligence from any document which bank has. And when we wire this contextual intelligence to build up a composable solution using microservices, events, and APIs, it is a magical combination, and it helps a partner to work with us. So now partners like Accenture, Deloitte, KPMG, they need the raw technology on the cloud, where Intellect plays a very critical role, that they can consume the technology and deliver the right output to the customer, or customer themselves, their technology department can consume it without, and they can design it yourself kind of a technology. So that space of EMAC.ai, which is we launched in February last year, is driving 2 ways our growth engine. One is bank is feeling that they can do themselves, or our partner ecosystem, it helps partner ecosystem to grow. So these two, both of them are quite positive driver for our growth. And our technology IDX and Turmeric are the 2 drivers. One is a composable technology, and that is a contextual technology, which is IP. We invest 2 million hours of the R&D hours every year. So 16 million hours we spent over the last 8 years, which is equivalent to $1 billion in terms of any US company would have invested in R&D. So that those investments are now paying off.
All right, good to know. Thank you for joining in and sharing with us your growth projections as well as outlook on Intellect Design.